Hi everyone, Yasmin here, creative designer here at Sizzix. Today I'm going to show you how to make a small gift for your family and friends for bonfire night, which is really easy and simple to make. So here's how I did it. To begin with, I want to make the background to my tags, so you'll need a load of different colours of card strips just like this. So to create these strips, I just simply cut like this on the card. They don't have to be the same size. And then cut like so. And you do this for each colour. Once you've done that, you just want to use your glue gun and then carefully add some glue onto the card and then place down in strips. So I've created one with the lines going down, and then just going to create one with the lines going in different directions, which I'll show you how to do now. So instead of going straight down, I'm just going to go out like so. So just on the computer, I've just printed out some sayings. So I've got smalls and happy bonfire night. And using the scalloped circle framelit set, I'm just going to use them to cut them out. So starting with the smaller one, I'm just going to place down my saying. So your two smaller pieces should look something like this. Moving on to the bigger circle, and I'm just going to cut out these pieces. So place them down just like I did for the smaller one. Now I've got all the pieces that I need, and then I'm just going to pop some glue in the centre. You don't need a lot. And then I'm just going to place a smaller piece on top like so. You repeat this for the other one as well. So now that I've made my s'mores, I'm then going to begin to wrap them up. So carefully lifting the film up, I'm just going to grab. It can be quite fiddly. Just grab it and gather it all like this. Then getting your string, you just want to tie around. Then with the tags that you've just made, you're just going to thread through. And then tie a nice little bow. And with your scissors, you're just going to trim off the ends like this. And there you have it, the perfect little gift. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk, where you'll find more videos just like this one.